Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. There is nothing more refreshing on a hot summer day than a glass of lemonade, and today I want to share with you the best homemade strawberry lemonade recipe. This lemonade is going to change your life. It is fruity, tart, refreshing, and so incredibly delicious. Has tons of incredible strawberry flavor and just the right amount of tartness from that freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to start by making a simple sugar syrup, blend and puree our strawberries, squeeze some lemons, and then combine everything together in a large pitcher with some ice. I like to garnish with a little bit of lemon, some strawberries in there, and then pour a glass and enjoy. The flavors here are phenomenal, plus it's super easy to make. Don't forget to head on down into that video description box for the recipe link. I'm gonna have everything online for you guys. Meanwhile, let's get started. For the syrup, you can use anywhere from half a cup to 1 cup of white granulated sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar to taste. Today I'm using half a cup, and I'm going to zest in 2 large lemons. This lemon zest is just going to increase all the incredible lemon flavor. And then use your fingers to blend the sugar and the lemon zest together. This is really going to help activate those lemon oils, really make them pop. Pour in 1 cup of water. Heat this on the stovetop until that sugar is completely dissolved. You don't have to bring it up to a boil. Let that syrup cool completely before using in the recipe. You can even place it into the fridge so it cools down a little bit faster. We're gonna switch gears and work on our strawberry next. I am super lucky. I have a strawberry stand not too far from our house, and I get the best strawberries. These are super sweet and they smell so good. I could eat this whole bowl right here, right now. These are so incredible. Anyway, we're gonna need 1.5 pounds of strawberries. I'm gonna place them into my food processor. You can also use a blender for this step. We just need to puree the strawberries until we have a really smooth mixture. So no chunks of strawberries. We'll need 1.5 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice, about 10 to 12 lemons, just depending on how juicy your lemons are. I do love freshly squeezed lemon juice just because the flavor is unbeatable, but if you don't have the time, some canned lemon juice will also work well. You can put the lemonade together in a large pitcher or a little drink dispenser like I'm using today. Drop in about 1 cup of sliced strawberries for garnish, 1 sliced lemon, add a few cups of ice cubes, pour in the chilled lemon syrup, and strain the lemon juice through a fine mesh sieve. Add in the pureed strawberries next. And then pour in 6 to 8 cups of water. And mix it all together. Keep the strawberry lemonade in the refrigerator where it's well chilled, and that way it's really cold and refreshing, and you don't have to add ice cubes, which will kind of water out the flavor of the lemonade over time. And I love this color. It's just so rich and like a true strawberry color. Oh, that is heavenly. It is so incredibly delicious, so refreshing. I love that you have so much incredible strawberry flavor here. It's not too sweet, it's not too sour. It's like the perfect balance of everything. You guys are gonna love this. Nothing beats a glass of this chilled lemonade on a hot summer day. You guys are going to be enjoying this recipe all summer long. Head on down into that video description box for the printable recipe. I'm also going to include it with metric measurements up on my website. Thank you guys so much for watching my latest episode. I hope you enjoyed this incredible drink at home, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe. So good.